12-year-old daughter wanted me to bring a car home the other night, so I drove this thing home. I love the cars from the 50s. The pink is so appropriate for this car. It's a great rust-free car, all that's good, but I gotta tell you how impressed I was driving the car. There were times I was literally going down the road holding the steering wheel with just 2 fingers. The thing just goes straight. It rides really nice, even over the bumps. It stops nice, stops straight. It accelerates real good. It got dark out. I turned on the lights. They all worked. The dash lit up beautifully. It had like a golden color the dials and letters on the gauges. At night they lit up beautifully. They all work. The charging system's working. The temperature never got up even to the middle. Oil pressure is excellent. At an idle, it's still good. As soon as you give it some gas, it goes up to excellent. Even the little push-button transmission, each one of them lit up. I pulled the parking brake. There's a red flashing light to let you know the parking brake's on. Wipers work. Everything works in this car except the radio. That does not work. But I just really want to tell you how well this car drove. Stopped, steered, handled, did everything really, really well.